Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. And it is SheModern Saturday. Excuse me, I have a little froggy in my throat. It's SheModern Saturday, and we are going to be doing our last Halloween mani for October. We have on Harley Marie, my flexi hand. The shade is called Classical by Modelones. It's part of their little fashion mini collection. It's the closest thing to orange I own for gel polish. I'm not too good in the gel polish department for fall colors. On my little canvas here, I have a slew of, yes I said slew, it's a southern thing. I have a slew of, water decals. Tiny tweezers is what I need. Got a pumpkin here that flipped himself over. A hollow pumpkin. Whoops. There's some grass, some bats, some pumpkins. We have quite the design going on here. Quite the design. So I'm going to saturate these, let these slide off to the back section there for a minute, and let them do what they do. I'll be picking those up with my ice cube stamper from Maniology. So we'll be using that in a minute. I'm going to be putting on some grip gel by SheModern to adhere the decals better to the nails, make them sticky. So we're going to put these on. These were competition nails. I just cut them down. I like me some squared off nails. And I had these, and I figured, well, I can use these and cut them down, right, no problem. And I'm going to be curing these for 30 seconds. I almost said 30 minutes. That'd be something, wouldn't it? 30-minute cure? I don't think they'd come off after that. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to cure for 30 seconds. Alright, our nails are cured. I am going to be doing... What am I doing? A little bit of grass scene here. And get my bat to move. Oh, my bat is over my pumpkin. Heavy something off to the side. You can dab that water off the tip of the nails. I'm sorry. off the decal here. I don't know what I'm saying. So we'll be needing my tweezers after all. Where's my rubber thingy? Here we go. This is what I need. This is what I need. There we go. Spread it out to the other side. I'm going to get my scissors and try to trim off the excess. There we go. Whoops. Yeah. No, it looks wonky. A little wonky on the nails. Cut this off. There we go. Cut off the excess. There we go. There we go, there we go. Okay, let me see, what am I gonna do here now? I do want my branch. Dab, dab, dab. There we go. A little bit of excess on this one to trim off. I think that's really cute. Huh. I'm gonna kind of skip around here so I can get certain things on the nails. Probably should have cut me more grass than this, right? So it is Saturday, the last Saturday of October. Halloween is right around the corner. If you are going out, let me know what you're going to dress up as. I'm kind of curious. I'm not dressing up. I'll be passing out candy. I'll be wearing clothes for warmth and comfort, not for the holiday season. I'm too, I don't know, I'm too something to, dress up. Too old? No, you're never too old, are ya? Okay, I got me a bat now. I'm going to place her on the thumbnail. Yes, I said her. It is a hollow bat. Make sure you got no air bubbles, no water bubbles. You got some pumpkins too. Gotta have some pumpkins. Get off your water. Here we go with that one. Let me see, maybe a hollow pumpkin. Water decals are really super easy to adhere. If you're using regular polish, get you a little bit of foil glue. And there you go. I mean, you wait till it dries, you can adhere it that way. If you're using gel, you can use SheModern products. You can use a base coat. Here we go. Whoops. The pumpkin is sliding around. There we go. Slide that one back in place. Go over your bat and your moon. Got quite a bit going on in that nail, don't I? I have another bat for another nail. So yeah, let me know what you're doing for Halloween. Share your thoughts with me. Like I said, I'll be passing out candy, which I love to do. I love to see all the kids come up in their Halloween costumes. I think that's just really cool. To me, you just can't beat seeing that. I should go to my church. They're having a family fun night. And those kids, they get hooked up. They walk out of there with like a great big paper bag filled with candy. And they have so much fun. They have all kinds of games and prizes and contests, and they give away a bicycle. So everybody has their own thing of what they do. I've made a mess over here with my water from the decals. Made such a mess. But all our nails have a little bit on it. And I think that looks pretty cool, don't you? We're going to top coat now with P&D to wipe top coat. If you don't have this, check it out. Princess Nails by Diana. She now has her fall line available for purchase. Check her out, whoops, here on YouTube. Princess Nails by Diana. On Instagram, Princess Nails _by_ Diana. So you cap your nails. Keep that mani in place. Gotta seal these right. Whoops. Make sure you don't have too much top coat on. A hollow pumpkin. Oh, this one curled up on us. Need to top coat that one over. Squeeze that one down. Pop this back in the oven. Let that cure for just a tad bit longer. Sorry about that, didn't know that one had come up. But yes, it is Saturday the 26th of October. Halloween is just around the corner, so yeah, let me know what you're dressing up as or what your plans are. Are you passing out candy? Are you staying home like me? You never know. Might be going out to a party, so let me know, people. Talk to me. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell. Click all. That way you get notified of all future videos that I upload. I upload 3 to 4 times a week. Normally it's 3. Lately it's been 4. So bear with me. As you see, Saturday I do a SheModern series. All SheModern products. Monday is my docu-series where I am learning acrylics, and so I am documenting that on my journey. Thursday's a crapshoot. Sometimes I have a collaboration up for Glitter Girls, so you want to keep an eye out for that. So we're back, fresh out of the oven. I think this turned out really super cute. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my Halloween mani for SheModern. Check them out here on YouTube as well, SheModern. And Instagram, they are she_modern. Tell them that Just Nailed It sent you and say hello. Subscribe to their channel and follow them on Instagram as well, like I said. Let me see, did I cover all the bases? Please subscribe, like, and share. Give me a thumbs up. I always appreciate that. Please give a full view. Us YouTubers, we make a lot of effort into producing our videos, and we would so appreciate full view, full watch time. It does make a difference with our analytics and where our channel is going, just so that you know. So I want to give a shout out to Nails of Interest. Check out her channel. She produces a lot of great content. Check her out. Check out Princess Nails by Diana. Check out Miss Classy. Oh, what is her name? I don't want to get this wrong. This is Miss Classy's Nail Designs. Check her out. She's an up and coming channel. She's also the same on Instagram. So, yep, those are my shout outs for today. Each video I'm going to try to shout out a few more people that are there and they support me, and I want to be able to support them in return. And Nails of Interest, she does that for me. She helps me out, and I just want to give away from Miss Classy Nails Designs. I won some crystals, so those will be coming soon in the mail. And I'll show you those so I can share with you what I won. See what kind of nails designs I come up with. So we're going to call it a day. Happy Halloween. Have a blessed day. Thank you and have a good day.